Start. Hands cover up.
Inside. Straight to hand side. Up. Up. Side. Down. Stand it is. Attention. Stand it is. Attention. Now everyone get ready for school song. Put your hands front. Sing together. Louder.
Melody effect. Start.
Hands cover up. Inside. Hands up. Inside. Hands down. Stand it is. Attention. Stand it is. Attention. Now it's time to deliver this speech. So I like to call the speakers on this stage.
means some foods are very harmful for our body. That is junk food. Junk food is packed, canned, bottled, or instant, which is deprived of essential qualities of food. Junk food is very harmful for our body because it has less nutritional value, but it has high calories, fat, sugar. And last, I want to say that if nature doesn't give it, don't use it.
And score up. Side, up, side, down. Stand at ease, attention. Stand at ease, attention. Cover up, side, up, side, down. Stand at ease, attention. Stand at ease. Okay, so to provide some information, I'd like to welcome our respected Vice Principal on the stage. Everyone put your hands together.
Thank you very much, Coordinator sir. Stand at ease. Attention. Stand at ease. Attention. Cover up. Inside. Miss Krishna, I said inside. Where are you? Hands up. Clap. And are you clapping or just holding your hand? Everybody be smart. Observe how clearly statements are doing. Take care and do accordingly. They are not putting information. Inside. Hands down. Stand at ease. With the sound. Attention. So Vidya, will you take out your mask? Cover up. Inside. Up. Side. Down. Stand at ease. Okay. So today is the final day of second term exam. Class 9 and 10. Your exam will begin by 10 a.m. Remember? And class 4 to 8 by 11. 10 to 1, 9 and 10. 11 to 1, 4 to 8. Afterwards, school will provide you delicious and lovely food. After the program of having food, there will be singing and dancing program because we could not celebrate Children's Day on 29th of Bhadra. That's why it will be celebrated. Afterwards, there will be minor Dasai program, and then we will send you to your home with greeting card, tika, jamara, and vacation homework. Class 4 and 5, why are you making noise? Class 4 and 5, where are the teachers? Why are those students making noise? Commanders, what is going on? In the assembly, only one person gives the command. Rest must follow it. Why are they making noise now? So, vacation homework is given for 15 days. It's mentioned the date, on which day what you have to do. On the basis of the subjects which are taught in the class, homeworks are given in printed form. You have to write in 2-line paper and submit on the first day of school opening. The school resumes on 9th of Kartik, as usual, after the vacation. everybody must bring the homework and submit to the subject teacher. That provides you 10 marks, 4 to 8, 5 marks, 9 and 10. It is mandatory to do and submit on time. Again, someone is making noise over there, why? Class 8, 9 and 10. There will be coaching class from 22nd of Ashwin, the very next day of Kojagat Purnima. Coaching classes will run smoothly. Class 10, your classes will start by 6 a.m. and end at 11 a.m. Class 8 and 9, you have to arrive here by 8 a.m. and class will be over by 10 a.m. How the coaching classes used to run during the public holidays, in the same manner we'll conduct the program. So, remember the dates. Coaching class begins from 22nd. School resumes on 9th of Kartik. Homework must be done on time and must be submitted. And today, after the exam, you have to submit question paper as well as answer sheet. Both the things. Earlier you used to get chance to take the question paper. Today you are not allowed to take. When you submit the question paper, then submit the answer sheet also together. And next important thing is, when you depart from here, don't throw any rocks with those waste papers in the roadside. Last time there was complaint. Some of the students, they were taking the paper and throwing here and there. In many places, CCTV is managed in those roads. They will find out also. Be smart, not only inside the school premises, you have to be smart everywhere. Is that clear or not? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Why are this so much passive, huh? Attention. Cover up. Inside. Hands up. Clap. Clap together. That is for your benefit. What are you doing? Inside. Hands down. Stand at ease. So today we are going to honor the smart students of Bhadra 2082. So I would like to request the smart students of Shravan 2082 to be present over here. In the same way, I would like to request all the class teachers to be present over here. And I would like to request our bearded chairman, sir, to be present over here. Give me a big round of applause. Smart students and class teachers, please make line according to your order. Class 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, hello, no noise at all. Simply, when you hear the name, you must not forget to give a big round of applause. Class 4. Class 4.
Class 7 works. No teacher. Oh, teacher. Smart students. Visesta Bhuzel.
Visesta Bhuzel was the smart students of Shravan 2082. Please come here. Visesta Bhuzel. Absent today? Where's she gone? I saw her. Oh, she is inside the class. Come fast, Visesta. Okay, class 4. Rosie Vista. Congratulations. Rosie Vista, please come on the stage. Give a big round of applause, our children. Why are you passive? Class 5. Class 5. Smart students. Any idea? Bibas Malandhar. Congratulations, Bibas. Yes. Class 6. Class 6. Manju Rawal. Congratulations, Manju. Class 7. Class 7, do you have any guess? Subidya Rai. Congratulations, Subidya. Class 8. Class 8. Pranisa Dhungana. Congratulations, Pranisa. Class 9. Class 9. Nisa Sivakoti. Congratulations, Nisa. Where are you? Nisa, please come a bit fast. Class 10. Guess who is the smart student of Bhadra 2082? Okay. There are 2 I in the person's name in cast. 2 I. Any guess? 2A also. Anmol Adhikari. Congratulations, Anmol. So they were the smart students of Bhadra 2082.
Okay, Anmol, congratulations.
Thank you very much, dear chairman, class teachers, and smart students of Bhadra Shravan 2082. Attention! Cover up. And side. Hands up. And side. Dips on the body, be active. Hands up. Straight hands. Clap. Nishant, Priyal, how are you clapping? Doing training of clapping or what? Eric Khanka, what are you doing? Inside, hands down. Stand at ease. Attention. Stand at ease. Okay. Now it's the time to go to class and practice. You have got very less time for practice today because by 10 o'clock, 9 and 10, your exam will begin, and 11, class 4 to 8. That's why rehearsal is very, very important. Focus on writing. Attention. Cover up. Side. Up. Side. Down. Hello, class 10, what's going on there? Stand at ease. Attention. Okay, march time. Class 4 girls, move forward. Class 4 boys, move forward.